Craft is experiencing a renaissance of sorts. In nations around the globe, the number of makers has grown significantly since the turn of the millennium, and so too has market demand for things branded as authentic, handmade, and bespoke. In parallel with the thriving traditional craft sector, new craft disciplines are emerging, innovatively combining handwork with mechanical and digital technologies to create truly cutting-edge objects. I'm Professor Trevor Marchand, author of The Pursuit of Pleasurable Work, Craftwork in 21st Century England. I trained and worked as an architect before completing a PhD in social anthropology at SOAS, University of London. During the past 3 decades, I've carried out numerous long field studies that involve training and working alongside craftspeople. I labored with traditional minaret builders in Yemen, with mud brick masons in West Africa, and I took up full-time training as a fine woodworker and furniture maker at the historic Building Crafts College in London's East End. These projects enabled me to better understand the potentials and limitations of specific apprenticeship systems, the social politics within trades, and importantly, embodied ways of learning and knowing on site and at the bench in the workshop. I've also carried out intensive observational studies with carpenters and with a London-based artist who works with fabrics and found materials. The aim was to bring more systematic understanding to the problem-solving tactics that artisans employ in the flow of hands-on work and in their embodied ways of mathematizing dimensions, volumes, geometries, patterns, and proportions in the things they create. Starting next January, I'll be offering a brand new 8-week online course for the Royal Anthropological Institute titled Anthropology of Skill Craftwork. This non-assessed project-based course investigates the making of things by introducing participants to the study of human skill and situated ways of learning and knowing that create our material world and give it meaning. My objective is to acquaint participants with seminal scholarship and new thinking around the topic of craftwork. Importantly, the course also introduces relevant research methods to prepare participants for conducting their own fieldwork with a designer-maker of their choosing. The course is structured around 8 online roundtable seminars, each 90 minutes long. Seminar discussions will be participant-led, grounded in the issues, questions, and discoveries that arise from the weekly readings and from participants' own fieldwork experiences. At the close of each seminar, I'll introduce the following week's topics with discussions of key concepts, theories, and debates. The course content is grounded in anthropological theory and methods, but it's aimed at a wide interdisciplinary audience, including, in addition to anthropologists, sociologists, experimental archaeologists, and educationalists. I also encourage participation from practicing craftspeople, product designers, architects, artists, and engineers who want to carve out time to reflect on their professional practice and artisanal processes. I look forward to your participation in this new RAI course on the Anthropology of Skill Craftwork. For more information about the course contents and its scheduling, and to register, please visit the website of the Royal Anthropological Institute.